If your flashlight icon missing your Android phone, don't worry. You can follow this guide easily. Turn back on your device. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone. Swipe the top of the screen to open notification panel. Then swipe again to open the quick panel page. Here you can try to find the flashlight icon. If you found it, this is great. However, keep in mind if you don't find the option, don't worry. Easily fix it. To do that, simply tap on the pencil icon. After that, click on edit. You can don't see the flashlight icon here, don't panic. Tap on done button. Now scroll down to the page, click on add a control. After that, look at the menu bar. You can see the various options. Also find the flashlight icon. Once you found them, simply tap on hold it. After it hold them, swipe the top of the menu page and drag your desired spot. Once you found your desired spot, simply release it your finger. After it done, tap on the done button, then confirm by tap on done button at the top right corner again, and you have successfully done. To check your flashlight icon appear there, simply swipe again in the top menu to open the quick panel. You can this time find the flashlight icon. Simply tap on it and right now your flashlight is easily used. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.